The Galaxy S23 Ultra is the latest and greatest flagship phone from Samsung, offering cutting-edge technology and features for the ultimate smartphone experience. To enhance your phone's functionality and to protect it from damage, there are several must-have accessories that are essential to every S23 Ultra user. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity or keep your phone protected, we've got you covered with some of the must-have accessories for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let's check them out. As you know, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with the ultimate smartphone experience. This is why protecting it is a must, and that's where the Toras Mars Climber S23 Ultra case comes in. This case is built with an aerospace-grade aluminum with military-grade protection that can withstand a drop from 8 feet high. The solid PC back and flexible TPU frame makes it a shockproof case for your S23 Ultra. The airbags on the corner and cellular angles ensure maximum protection, as it also covers the curved parts of the phone so you can use it worry-free. Even with all this protection in place, it's a slim case for your S23 Ultra, so you can say goodbye to your phone bulges in your pockets. Also, the kickstand on the back ensures hands-free entertainment when watching your favorite YouTuber. This kickstand can be used more than 30,000 times without getting loose. Overall, the Toras Mars Climber S23 Ultra case will give you the best protection and peace of mind when out and about. Getting a shiny device like the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a fantastic feeling, but scuffs and scratches on your screen are not. So to protect the screen of your S23 Ultra, gear it up with the AACL 3D Curved Tempered Glass. The AACL screen protector comes with 9H tempered glass, meaning you're getting military-grade protection on your screen. The best part is that it's case-friendly. So besides protecting your screen, you can dress up your device with a cover of your choice. While it has military-grade protection, it's ultra-thin, ensuring the fingerprint sensor works perfectly and without delay. Also, it's transparent, that way no color is being altered and you're getting the best clarity. Applying the screen protector is easy with the included installation kit, so you can get the best protection without any misalignment. In summary, put on the AACL 3D Curved Tempered Glass and stop worrying about scratching your screen. GaN chargers are the most outstanding innovation in the power adapter field, and the Ugreen 45-watt wall charger is the best GaN charger for your S23 Ultra. It's packed with GaN technology paired with Samsung's Fast Charging 2.0, so you get the highest efficiency when charging your device. One of the worries about fast charging is overheating, but thanks to Ugreen's power dispenser system, you can rest easy about charging your device. Speaking of devices, you can charge 2 devices at 45 watts with this charger. Not only that, but you can also charge your laptop with it. The best part about GaN chargers is their form factor, and that's the case with the Ugreen 45-watt USB-C charger. It's a lightweight wall charger weighing only 0.21 pounds. That means it's not only pocketable, but you're also getting all the power in the world. To sum up, the Ugreen 45-watt USB-C wall charger is the best GaN charger for your S23 Ultra. Let's say you want to get rid of wires and go wireless. Then the SamboPad 2-in-1 wireless charger is perfect for your S23 Ultra. The SamboPad has a unique design that allows the magnetic charging pad to be folded and turned into a portable wireless charger for your next flight. On top of that, it comes with a very pocketable design, and the magnetic wireless charger can be used in both folded and upright positions. The wireless charger supports 10-watt fast wireless charging both on the magnetic charging pad and the second wireless charging base. A unique feature is a light should you get when charging on the non-magnetic base. So if you swing between both operating systems, you can charge both devices off a single wireless charger. So to get rid of wires and untangle your life, the SamboPad 2-in-1 wireless charger is the best wireless charging station for your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Samsung S23 Ultra comes with a whopping 5000 mAh battery life, and that's enough to last you a day. But what if you needed more power? Or forgot to charge your phone at night? That's where the Anker PowerCore Fusion 45-watt comes in. The Fusion Core 45-watt is a wall charger that doubles as a power bank, so you're getting the best of both worlds. It delivers 45 watts, so your S23 Ultra is powered at full speed. On top of that, it's 3 times faster than stock chargers, so you're basically set for the day with this 2-in-1 charger. It also supports charging 2 devices simultaneously. On the power bank side, it has a capacity of 5000 mAh. Your S23 Ultra will easily last you through the day, but if you need more power, the Fusion Core 45 watts has you covered. All in all, the Anker PowerCore 45 watt is a no-brainer when it comes to charging situation. And now that you have almost everything for a Galaxy S23 Ultra, it's time to rock some music. And the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is the perfect accessory for that. The Buds 2 Pro has all the features you can ask for, whether it's active noise cancellation or hi-fi sound quality. These earbuds have you covered. Tune out of the world with its ANC feature and enjoy every tone with enhanced 360-degree audio. This feature gives you one of the best surround sound experiences on the go. Also, the Buds 2 Pro comes with a more comfortable design and secure fit, so put them on and forget about the rest. The earbuds are water resistant too. Rated at IPX7, you can enjoy your favorite artist in the rain or the gym. Overall, if you're looking for a pair of earbuds that goes with your S23 Ultra, you just cannot go wrong with the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Finally, a watch can complete your accessory list, and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is one of the best smartwatches out in the market that pairs perfectly with your S23 Ultra. You get a sleek minimalist design, colors to match your style, and improved sensors and battery life. The Watch 5 has a sapphire crystal face that's 1.6 times stronger than the competition, so it can take a beating whether at the gym or on rocky roads. Speaking of adventure, the improved battery life ensures you can rock this watch all day long. You're getting a 15% battery improvement with the 40mm and 13% with the 44mm variant. As for sensors, you're getting ECG, blood oxygen sensors, improved GPS, and an advanced sleep coach feature. This will help you get into better sleeping habits. The back of the watch is curved to make better contact with your wrist. So with all these features in mind, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is the best smartwatch for your S23 Ultra. And that was a list of the must-have accessories for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Which one of these are you going to get for yourself? Do you own any one of these? Let us know, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.